Hey guys, Hortensia here. Welcome back to my channel and to a new video. This is going to be my first ever unboxing. Sorry for the cover, but I just discovered while editing my video that the sound of my voice was way too low, so I had to do this video or throw the whole footage away. So this is my first ever unboxing. I found these sandals the other day while looking around, and they are definitely on the category ugly sandals. I don't know if you know about the ugly sandal trend, but I was really intrigued by the trend since last year, and I think I've tried sandals from New Balance, but I found them a little bit way too clumsy for my feet. And then when I saw these the other day, I really felt like I had to try them on to see if I can style it and put them on with different outfits. So we are doing an unboxing for the UGG sandals LA Cloud. I think that's their name. They are really let me just say that the sole is really thick. It looks really comfortable. I really like the design. I really like the bands with the UGG logo on them. I really like the details on the side with this mesh mesh material. I would say I really like the fact that they look comfy, but I just feel like these kind of sandals make your feet look 2 times bigger than they are, but the design looks really great. So these sandals are actually available in 2 different colors. I think you have the black and white, the one I'm actually showing you right now, and you have another color or another color combination in white and neon green. I think I ordered the black and white color combination because the other one was not available on the site I ordered them on, but I find both color really interesting. I find the design really interesting. So as you can see on the video, this was really the first time I was trying them on. I just take them out of the box, I try them on. So let's see the different variation I went for. For the first outfit, I kept the outfit I wore on that day. That's actually the outfit I wore for work on that day, and I definitely feel like you can style these sandals with a suit variation. When I say a suit variation, will be like some pantsuits or culotte suits or short suits or a skirt suit. I definitely feel like it could work if you want to go high on the top and low on your feet. It's still going to look stylish but comfortable. So that's why I kept that outfit on. They are really comfortable. I would definitely say that they are really comfortable. I just don't like the fact that they make my feet look 2 times bigger than my real size. I have that problem with my feet. I don't like shoes that make my feet a little bit or make my feet look bigger than they actually are. So that's actually my conclusion with this outfit. But except from that little problem with those sandals, I really like them. I really find them comfortable and stylish. So for the second outfit, I went for something really simple and comfortable, like a outfit that you could definitely wear during the summer season, the summer and spring season, when the temperatures are a little bit higher. I went for this white cotton dress that I really like. It's a little bit oversized with this ruffle collar that I really like, with my straw hat. That's definitely something I would wear. Like, it's really simple, really comfortable, still looks chic and easy to style. So this is still third and last outfit for this video. I wanted to try something else, so that's why I decided to style these comfy sandals, or ugly sandals if you like, with this denim bike shorts. So I went for these black bike shorts and this orange polka dot blouse that I styled with this chain belt, and I added this black hat. If you follow me on Instagram, you have probably seen this hat like 1,000 times already. That's actually one of my favorite pieces, and I feel like this whole outfit goes well together. It's another simple outfit that you can put together and it still looks stylish but comfortable because of these sandals. I like I said, I really like the logos on these sandals. So this is my final look for this video. So thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked the video. Tell me in the comment section if you liked the video or not, or if you found the outfit interesting or not, if you would try these sandals or not, or there are different variations of the ugly sandals, so you really have a range of different choices. Tell me. Don't forget to subscribe. Find me on Instagram at the Styles Tips. See you next time. Thank you.